story of the Kalibr Cruise Missile begins in the 1980s, when design started under the rule of the Soviet Union. The Soviets' development of the Kalibr missile was significantly influenced by the strategic need to maintain a credible deterrent against the West's rising powers. In the Soviets' eyes, they needed the capability to project power beyond Russia's borders, and they did so by giving the Kalibr such versatile long-range strike capabilities. Between the 1980s and the 1990s, it is still unknown to this day how many Kalibrs the Soviets actually manufactured. However, after the Soviet Union fell in 1991, the Russian Federation continued to produce and drastically improve the models to stay competitive in the global arms market. Overall, the decision underscores Russia's commitment to modernizing its military forces, safeguarding regional stability, and maintaining its position as a significant player in defense technology and international security. After many years of the Russians developing the Kalibr further and further, they eventually announced a model that could be launched from many platforms, including naval vessels, submarines, land vehicles, and even aircraft. Many Russian frigate classes are capable of launch. These are the Grigorovich class, as well as the Talwar class, and even smaller corvettes like the Buyan M class. Submarines equipped with VLS, short for vertical launch systems, are also able to fire the missile. Two classes that have VLS installed are the Yasin-class nuclear-powered attack submarine, as well as the new and improved Kilo-class diesel-electric submarine. Less used in the arsenal are the land-based launchers. Russia developed the BALE coastal defense system, as well as the Redut coastal system with the ability to fire the Kalibr and many other missiles from different fronts and regions. Finally, we go on to Russian Navy strategic bombers and helicopters, such as the Tu-95 Bear, the Kamov Ka-27, the Tu-160 Blackjack, and last but not least, the Ka-31. Each of these can take off from a carrier in a matter of minutes and launch the missile from the sky, causing serious confusion and terror to any enemies. Once in flight, the missile relies on an onboard navigation system that uses internal guidance to maintain its course and altitude. By using this internal system, the Kalibr does not need GPS or GLONASS, meaning no one is needed on the controls. By flying at a low altitude and following the terrain to avoid enemy radar detection, it makes it very difficult for enemies to intercept. As it approaches its target, it can use its onboard sensors and guidance systems to fine-tune its trajectory for precision and mass destruction. With all the upgrades the Russian Federation has made, the cost of one of these missiles, as expected, was not cheap. Depending on the specific variant and its features, estimates suggest that the price tag for one can scale all the way up to $6.5 million. Due to the improvements made in recent models, Russia still uses the Kalibr today as a weapon of destruction in the Ukraine war. As the Kalibr was designed with highly advanced stealth technology, it is more than capable of evading most radar and air defense systems. For example, the most common is the S-300. To this day, the Ukrainian forces use it as an easy option to defend from any oncoming Russian attacks. However, due to the Kalibr's advanced technology, the S-300 is simply not capable of taking the missile down, which imposes serious danger to the Ukrainians. As Russia uses the Kalibr to target critical infrastructure, such as military installations, communication centers, and sometimes transportation hubs, the deployment of the Kalibr highlights the importance of the need for modern, multi-layered defense strategies within NATO. Its use in Ukraine is a stark reminder of the relentless march of military technology and the ever-evolving art of war. As the journey of the Kalibr missile continues, its evolving legacy offers a warning and an opportunity. An opportunity for nations to come together, to harness technology for defense and peacekeeping, and to rethink the future of warfare and international relations. From a blueprint to a bastion of strategic might, the Kalibr Cruise Missile's odyssey is a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of security. Its legacy remains a pivotal chapter in the annals of military history and a stark reminder of the human cost of conflict.